The Nikon Z90 has quietly become one of the most anticipated cameras in Nikon's upcoming lineup, not because of flashy promotions, but because of what it stands for. For years, Nikon users invested in the APS-C format have been waiting for a worthy mirrorless successor to the legendary D500. While Nikon has made major strides in the full-frame market with the Z8 and Z9, the high-end DX mirrorless space has remained noticeably empty. Now the rumored Nikon Z90 seems to be Nikon's bold move to fill that gap, targeting photographers who demand speed, reach, and reliability above all else. Rather than being designed as an all-purpose camera for casual shooters, the Z90 appears aimed squarely at a specific group: wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and action enthusiasts. These users have long valued the APS-C format for its practical advantages, especially the crop factor, which effectively extends the reach of telephoto lenses without the bulk or cost of full-frame setups. The Z90 could bring professional-level performance back to this compact format, offering an ideal balance of portability and power. At the heart of the rumor sits a 32 to 33 megapixel sensor, positioning the Z90 among the highest resolution APS-C cameras on the market. But it's not just about pixel count. Reports suggest Nikon may use a stacked CMOS sensor design, which would dramatically increase readout speeds and minimize rolling shutter. This could unlock blistering burst rates and responsive performance that rival full-frame flagships. The Z90 may also feature processing power inherited from the Z8 or Z9, potentially giving it access to real-time subject recognition, advanced autofocus, and cutting-edge video capabilities. Autofocus performance could very well be the Z90's crown jewel. Nikon's AI-driven subject detection has earned widespread praise, and even a scaled-down version of that technology in the Z90 would be a game-changer. Imagine accurate, lightning-fast tracking of people, animals, birds, and vehicles, even in unpredictable conditions. For action shooters, reliable autofocus is everything, and Nikon seems poised to deliver a system that can keep up with the most demanding situations. Speed is another major talking point. Early reports suggest the Z90 could shoot up to 15 frames per second with its mechanical shutter, and possibly even higher with the electronic one. That kind of performance would put it right up there with some of the fastest APS-C cameras available, making it an excellent tool for capturing fleeting moments, whether it's birds in flight, fast-paced sports, or spontaneous street action. While still photography will likely be its primary focus, Nikon isn't ignoring the growing demand for hybrid cameras. The Z90 is expected to deliver 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, potentially oversampled from the full sensor for superior image quality. This could mean sharper detail, richer colors, and cleaner footage overall. Some rumors even hint at 10-bit 4:2:2 output via HDMI, giving videographers more flexibility for color grading and professional workflows. While it won't replace a cinema camera, the Z90 could be a powerful hybrid for creators who need both top-tier stills and capable video in a single body. Another exciting possibility is in-body image stabilization, offering up to 5-axis correction. For wildlife and travel photographers shooting handheld, this could make a huge difference, helping to produce sharper images in low light and smoother video footage without external gear. Add in a robust, weather-sealed body with a deep, comfortable grip, and you've got a camera designed to perform reliably in tough environments. Nikon is also expected to include a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating touchscreen, making it both practical and versatile for different shooting styles. Storage and workflow considerations appear to have been thoughtfully addressed too. Dual card slots, possibly one CF Express Type B and one SD UHS-2, would give photographers flexibility and security, whether shooting high-speed bursts or recording 4K video. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 would also bring modern connectivity options, enabling faster transfers and easier remote control through smartphones or tablets. When placed in the current market landscape, the Nikon Z90 seems ready to go head-to-head with competitors like the Canon EOS R7 and Fujifilm X-H2S. Each of these models caters to the high-performance APS-C segment, but Nikon's success will depend on how well it balances performance, price, and lens ecosystem support. While Nikon's native DX lens lineup remains limited, Compatibility with full-frame Z-mount lenses provides some relief for photographers already invested in the system. Ultimately, the Nikon Z90 could represent a turning point for Nikon's APS-C strategy. If it truly delivers on expectations, combining speed, precision autofocus, advanced video features, and professional-grade handling, it might just be the camera that loyal D500 users and new generation action shooters have been waiting for. Lightweight yet powerful, compact yet capable, the Z90 could redefine what photographers expect from Nikon's DX lineup and finally give APS-C enthusiasts a reason to celebrate again.